Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to use a photo booth and Instagram story. So, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe, notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. Let's start today's video. So, it's pretty simple to use a photo booth and Instagram story. So basically, just go to your story, and once you're in your story, you can click on the line, which is at the left side pointing down. Click on it, and then this thing opens up, and over here click on a photo booth, which is right below. Click on a photo booth. Once you're in the photo booth, now remember after you click on the photo button, which is at the middle at the bottom part, then it's going to click 3 photos continuously. And it's going to align it in a single video. So let me show you guys. Watch this first photo, second photo, third photo, fifth photo. Also, it's 5 photos, sorry about that. And it's processing, wait for it. It's going to create a video, watch this. So that's basically how you use the photo booth. Now you can just click on send to share it in the story and it's uploaded to your story. So that's basically how you use it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.